Sorry.
Mother Uttira, she asked 2 questions to Parikshit Maharaj. What questions he asked? You remember? Please tell me the summary of Srimad Bhagavatam, essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. And second question was that all the devotees of Lord, they will go to the same place in Vaikuntha, or they are going to some other places. Please tell me. In that context, Srila Sanatana Goswami Bhad in Brihad Bhagavatamritam, he is telling to Upakyan. He is telling the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. One is Narad Rishi Upakyan, and one is Narad Rishi Upakyan, and second is one is Narad Rishi Gop Kumar. Second is Gop Kumar Upakyan. I already told this. Lord is one, but in front of, as per the modes of devotees, he is manifesting his form in front of devotees. Second, I told, as per the Dham, Lord is manifesting his form. Bhakta and Dham. It depends on Bhakta and Dham. How will be the devotees? Lord will manifest in that form. Lord was staying in Dwarka, but he showed Dwarka form, to Ram form to Hanumanji. You know about that story also. As per the Dham, he is eternally staying in Dwarkadish, in Dwarka and Dwarkadish, in Mathuradish, and in Vrindavan Chandra, he is staying. Yesterday we spoke about this, especially Gop Kumar Katha. It's a very beautiful story. Gop Kumar life history, he told to his disciple Mathur Brahman or Jana Sharma. He told to his Srimati Radharani, when I get ready for cow grazing with Krishna, that time Srimati Radharani came to me, oh Gop Kumar, today you have to, you don't need to go for cow grazing, but today you have to go, your disciple Mathur Brahman or Jan Sharma, you have to bring him. Gop Kumar is telling by his own mouth. So from Golok Vrindavan Dham, I came here. And Mathur Brahman, I told about that he took birth in Mathura, in Brahman dynasty. He was took birth in Brahman dynasty, but he was not unable to maintain the rules and regulation of Brahmanical activities. Because in Kaliyug people are very miser, they don't want to donate. So Brahman, what he did, he was not following his Brahmanical activities, but he started doing business. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord is saying 4:1, I established that as per their qualities. But Mathur Brahman, he was following Brahmin activities, but he doesn't get a donation. So because he doesn't get any donation, so what he did, in Pragjyotishpur he went. Pragjyotishpur means Assam. In Assam state, he started doing business there. Pragjyotishpur he went for doing the business, but his business failed. So he was very sad. One day he was wandering here and there. He went in Kamakhya temple. He was taking rest there. And when he was resting, he fall asleep. At that time, Kamakhya Devi, she came in her dream. She gave Gopal mantra in his dream. And Kamakhya Devi said, you please go to Vrindavan and you will get the Sarvasiddhi, your Sarvarup. So he showed the way how to go Vrindavan. Come from Kamakhya Devi, he went to Ganga Snan. You should take bath in Ganga gas water in Bengal. Ganga Snan. You should take bath in Ganga, that is known as Ganga Sagar. And afterwards, then you go to then you go to Gaya. Karmanasha Nadi river is there. If somebody is doing Shraddh there, that is known as Karmanashan. If you will go to Gaya, there is Karmanashan river. Karmanashan river. People are going to Gaya for doing Pindadan. Falgu river is also there. So that is Karmanashan river. And afterwards, he went to Kashinagar. You should go to Kashinagar. Shivji is there. You should take Vaishnav darshan. And afterwards, Prayag. You should go to Prayag. You should take darshan of Bindu Madhav. Bindu Madhav Katha is also very nice. After that, after taking darshan of Bindu Madhav, you should go to from Prayag to Mathura. Mathura in Vishram Ghat. You take Achman. Don't stay long in Mathura, Vishram Ghat. Then you have to go in Vrindavan, Keshi Ghat. And from Keshi Ghat, you will get your Sarvasiddhi. So in the same way, so after getting the instruction in the dream from Kamakhya Devi, so the way she showed to her, she was following her way, the instructions. When he went to Keshi Ghat, then he saw there was one young person. He was chanting this Shri Krishna Govinda Nanda Kishore Krishna Jivanne Radhikesha. He was chanting this mantra. He was so attracted. And afterwards, that young person, when he opened his eyes, he told to Mathur Brahman, he asked to Mathur Brahman, he was, that a young person told everything about Mathur Brahman, that you got this mantra also, Gopal mantra. You got Gopal mantra from Devi. So Mathur Brahman, he was surprised. I got this mantra in my dream. How he knows everything about me? So Mathur Brahman, he was very surprised. He said, Devi Kamakhya, you got the mantra. And Devi Kamakhya, he showed you the way, he told you the instruction, and you came by this route, you have came here. So he got so much Shraddha, faith in that person. Then Gopkumar, so that young person name is Savrup or Gopkumar. Savrup or his Savrup name is Savrup. At that time, like his eternal form name is Savrup. So he told. At that time, Gopkumar, he was telling about his life history to Mathur Brahman. From here, Gopkumar Harikatha starts. Gopkumar said, "Oh Mathur Brahman, I took birth in in Govardhan,
और गोकुल।
in Gopkul, in Gop dynasty.
माथुर ब्राह्मण के जन्म कहाँ हुआ?
Mathur Brahman
मथुरा में।
in Mathura, in Brahman dynasty.
जन्म कहाँ हुआ?
Gopkumar Govardhan, and in Gop dynasty.
मन बोले मेरा जन्म है गोकुल में जन्म होने के नाते,
Because he took birth in Gop dynasty, so
गोचारण नहीं करता था।
he was doing cow grazing since birth.
ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कथा है।
This is very important Harikatha. Because he took birth in Gop dynasty, I was doing cow grazing.
और गायों के लिए मैं जाता था।
I was taking to the cow for grazing.
दूसरे गोप बालक के भांति मेरा स्वभाव नहीं था।
But my nature was not like other cowherd boys. I was leaving the cows. I was
चित्त के मन को जो है भगवान में लगाने के लिए
I was trying to meditate on the Lord.
है?
I was not like others.
साधारण गोप बालक के थे, गायों को छोड़ करके
Other cowherd boys, what we were doing, they were leaving the cows and they were playing. So like Krishna, he was also playing with the cow, his boyfriends. My nature was different.
एक दिन दोपहर के समय
One day afternoon time, I was feeling thirsty.
मैं गोचारण करते करते
While doing cow grazing,
केसी घाट के पास
I went to Kesi Ghat. I came nearby Yamuna.
पानी पी करके
I was drinking. I took water and
देखा क्या
then I saw
वृद्ध ब्राह्मण
there was one old Brahman. He was sitting
कुंज कुटी
in Kunj Kutir.
वो वृद्ध ब्राह्मण
That old man,
बहुत सुंदर सुरीली स्वर से
he was singing so beautifully. He was doing this Kirtan, Shri Krishna.
गोविंद ही नंद किशोर कृष्ण
Shri Yashoda, Tanaya Prasiddha, Jivana Radhikesha.
और इनके ऐसे सुंदर
And his beautiful Kirtan, when I heard, I was sitting there. I forget about cow grazing and I was sitting there listening his Kirtan. And after some time,
वो ब्राह्मण
that Brahman,
आँख
he opened his eyes.
खोल करके मेरी तरफ देखा।
And when he opened his eyes, he looked at me.
उनके ऐसे सुंदर मंद मुस्कान
His beautiful smile
और मेरे प्रति ये स्नेह प्रति
and so much love and affection. I was so attracted towards that.
इसी प्रकार
In
हर
the same
रोज
way, every day,
मैं वो ब्राह्मण के पास आता
I was going to that Brahman.
और कभी कभी वो ब्राह्मण
And sometimes Brahman,
मुझे
he was telling me Harikatha.
तो एक दिन की बात
One day what happened?
वो ब्राह्मण कहने
That
लगे
Brahman, he said,
ये कुमार
Oh Gopkumar,
आपके पास घर में अनेक गाय है
there are many cows in your house. Please bring milk for me.
अच्छा दूध किस लिए मंगा पड़ा
Why he need the milk? उसकी सुकृति हो जाए. सुकृति हो जाए.
बोले देखा अभी तो इनके
So Brahman, he thought that he doesn't have so much taste in Harikatha. There will be there will be taste in Harikatha when the person have ruchi, taste, sukriti. So for making sukriti, he requested him that you should bring milk for me. So that is known as Dadati Pratiginna. You understand? So what you should do? You should give and take from sadhu. Not like Prabhu. Not like this Prabhu. You should not. Anandmohan Prabhu. He is very good person. He don't want to take anything from me. I'm saying him take, but he don't want to take. So Dadati Pratiginna. When I'm going to his house, he is giving me many food. And Yamuna Didi, she is cooking for me. I don't need to do anything from the starting. Yamuna Didi, day and night, she also sleep in the kitchen. She have very small house.
देखा उनके घर?
You have seen her
कभी
house?
seen ना? हैं? नहीं हैं? बेचारा हम तो दूसरी काम में सो जाते हैं।
I'm just sleeping in different room, other room.
उसके कमरे में सो
Who is coming with me? They are sleeping in another. He will where he will sleep. So
सो जाते
they are sleeping in the kitchen. And Anang Mohan Prabhu,
हैं? वो सिटी है ना?
he stairs. He is sleeping nearby door. There is no place to sleep.
बेचारा के देख करके हीरा द्रोही होते हैं।
My heart melted when I looking at their spiritual mood.
ददाति प्रतिगिन्ना।
So that's why I'm saying Dadati Pratiginna.
भजते चैव सर्वविधा प्रतिलक्ष्य देना है। प्रभु गोस्वामी पाद का
Rushi Rupa Goswami Pad is saying
है 6 प्रकार के प्रतिलक्ष्य
6 times of love.
है।
Love symptom should be there.
उसी प्रकार जो है
So that's why I'm saying Gop Kumari said
जो
that Brahman,
जब मुझे बोले
when that Brahman told me that please bring milk for me, so I started every day bringing milk for him.
किंतु बेचारा थोड़ी सी पी करके
But he was taking little bit milk and his remnants he was giving to me.
ऐसे करते करते
In this way, after few time, one day,
वो ब्राह्मण बोले
that Brahman it said,
गोप कुमार
Gop Kumar, I want to give you one precious gift, prasadam.
सुन करके गोप कुमार
When Gop Kumar said, my heart
तुम
melted.
लेना चाहते कि नहीं?
So Brahman he said, whatever you will give, I will accept.
देखो
So
तो बोले जाओ दूसरी जब आया
So second day when the Gop Kumar came, Brahman said, you please take bath in Yamuna. Then I took bath in Yamuna. Then he said, this is Gopal mantra, please accept this.
जिस मंत्र हम जप करते हैं
What mantra we are doing?
दशाक्षर गोपाल मंत्र हम जप करते हैं।
We are doing 18
गोपाल मंत्र में
syllables.
कितना अक्षर है?
18 syllables.
है ना आपके पास?
You have Gopal
गोपाल
mantra.
मंत्र जप करते कि नहीं?
You are chanting Gopal mantra.
कितना अक्षर है?
18
अब नहीं
syllables.
सुनो
18 syllables. 18
गोपाल
syllables.
मंत्र मुझे हाँ, देखो।
He gave me Gopal mantra. When I chanted Gopal mantra,
मूर्छित हो
when Brahman he chanted the Gopal mantra, he doesn't told about the meaning and how to do, how many times need to do. He doesn't told anything. He just fainted.
मंत्र के अर्थ बताया।
He doesn't told the meaning of the mantra.
जप करने की विधि भी
What is the process to do this mantra?
देखो हम तो विधि भी बता देते हैं।
We are telling the process. We are also telling the meaning
तब
also.
भी कलयुग में कोई जप
But in
करता
Kali Yuga, nobody is chanting the
है। उस
mantra.
समय तो जप करता ही नहीं।
They are not chanting. Some people are saying we didn't chant the mantra. Why they are not chanting the mantra? This is known as aparadh. If you are taking the mantra from Gurudev every day,
मंत्र जप
you have to chant the mantras. Otherwise, that is known as offense on the lotus feet of Gurudev.
इसलिए हर रोज क्या करना चाहिए?
So every day you should chant your mantra. Otherwise, it is offense in the mantras and in the lotus feet of Gurudev.
शास्त्र में जो बताया
So in the scripture, whatever is mentioned, if you will not chant mantra for 3 days, continuous 3 days, then you again have to take initiation,
क्या हवन आदि करना पड़ेगा।
and again you have to do fire sacrifice.
ऐसा शास्त्र में बताया।
This is mentioned in the
क्योंकि
scriptures.
शास्त्र में कुछ रूल दिया, डराने
Because
की बात दिया है।
in the scriptures, few rules are mentioned for giving the fear in the heart of the person. Because otherwise people will think that what we are doing is the right.
तो प्रत्यक्ष क्या करना
So every day what you have to do?
मंत्र आदि
You have to chant the mantras.
अपराध है।
Otherwise it is offense.
तो हाँ क्या बताया?
मंत्र दिया और वो बेहोश हो गए, मूर्छित हो गए.
मेरे गुरुदेव
So my Gurudev, he was fainted.
ऊपर करे मेरे गुरुदेव के नाम बता रहे थे।
So Gurudev, my Gurudev name is Jayant.
तो गुरुदेव जब
When Gurudev was,
जब मैं यमुना में पानी
when I went to Yamuna to get the water for my Gurudev, when Gurudev he gave mantra,
मूर्छित हो।
he was fainted.
तो मैं यमुना में
So I went to Yamuna to get water for my Gurudev,
आँख में पानी छिटकने की।
for giving the water in the mouth of in my Gurudev. But when I returned back, my Gurudev was not there. He disappeared. I was feeling pang of separation from my Gurudev.
यमुना के दोनों तरफ
I was searching for my Gurudev.
कहीं उसकी प्राप्ति नहीं।
I didn't get my Gurudev.
उनके विरह में मैं
Then he was feeling pang of separation. Then I left Vrindavan
क्योंकि वृंदावन की
because
स्मृति आ जाता है।
I was remembering my Gurudev.
ये जो कथा गुरुदेव श्रवण करा
My Gurudev was telling me Hari
और
Katha,
गुरुदेव के विरह में
and I was feeling pang of separation from my Gurudev, so I left Vrindavan and then I start moving other places. There is one speciality in my life that I was chanting this mantra every day.
और ये कीर्तन जो मैं करता
I was chanting this kirtan, Naam and Krishna. I was doing this Naam and Kirtan. Mukunda, Govinda, He Nanda, Krishna, Shri Yashoda, Tanaya Prasita, Shri Baladev,
यहाँ पर भी आपके प्रश्न भी हो सकते हैं।
You can have this question. Sanatan Goswami Path.
इस महामंत्र
In this Mahamantra,
हमें क्यों बताया?
why he told us about this Mahamantra?
क्यों कलियुग के तो महामंत्र
Because Kali Yuga Mahamantra is Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare.
ये मंत्र जप करना
We should chant this mantra.
मंत्र जप करना चाहिए था।
We have to chant this mantra. But Sanatan Goswami Pad,
उनके द्वारा कौन सा नाम जप करें?
why he was chanting, he told us about this mantra. Hare Mukunda, Mukunda He Krishna, Shri Yashoda, Tanaya Prasiddha,
श्री वल्लभ जी
Vanaradhikesha.
मेरी प्रश्न होगा क्यों?
Maybe you can have this question. Why he didn't chant this mantra?
कलिकाले नाम
In Kali Yuga,
धर्म सर्वशास्त्र यही सार मर्म प्रभु के कहिदान यही महामंत्र यह जप कर यह गया जप सभी कोरिया निर्बल यह इते सर्वसिद्धि हई बे सवार यह वही ना बोलिबे ना बोलाइबे महाप्रभु का
Mahaprabhu is saying,
बहुत लोग जो है दूसरे के
many people, especially many other sampradaya people, they are saying,
तो
Sanatan Goswami Pad,
क्यों ऐसे
why he
नया जो मंत्र के क्यों
why he manifested this new mantra.
प्रश्न आता है कि नहीं?
People can have question.
क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है।
There is question mark.
इसके समाधान क्या करोगे?
So what is the solution?
आप
What you will answer for this?
अच्छा इसके समाधान बाद में बताएंगे।
I will tell you later.
चिंतन करो।
You should think about
काम
it.
में लगाओ।
You should keep your brain in some work. Give some work to your brain.
क्योंकि महाप्रभु का क्या बोले?
Because Mahaprabhu is
यदि ताके स्वभाव का यह वही ना बोलिए ना बोलाइए आज महाप्रभु ने कहा
Mahaprabhu is said,
यदि मुझे तुम लोग स्नेह प्रीति करते हो
if you are giving, if you have love and affection towards me, then you have to follow my instruction. This is this Mahamantra Mahaprabhu have given. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
सोलो नाम बत्ती सकते सोलस नामानी दात्री सब अक्षर नित्यम जब तो
Sanatan Goswami Pad,
गोप कुमार के द्वारा
by Gop Kumar.
श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे मुकुंद
This mantra,
क्यों जप करा?
why he chanted this mantra? Why not Mahamantra?
इसके भी रहस्य छिपे हैं।
This is
बाद
the
में बताऊंगा। रहस्य
there is
बाद में
secret.
बताया जाता है।
A secret I will tell later.
थोड़ा तो ब्रेन के लगाओ।
You should keep your brain in some work. Yesterday, what I did,
माँ उतरा तो
Mautra. Mautra was not in the sabha of Shukdev Goswami.
है कि नहीं है? हाँ। ये प्रश्न पूछा कि नहीं पूछा आपने किसी?
You have asked this question to anyone or no? Sham.
ये प्रश्न किसी को पूछा?
You have asked this question to anyone, any other person?
क्या आप बोल रहे हैं?
उत्तरा सभा में थी या नहीं? Shukdev
ये
Goswami.
प्रश्न तो पूछा किसी के जे सनातन गोस्वामी
Sanatan Goswami Pad,
ये जो श्री कृष्ण
Shri Krishna,
गोपाल हरे
this mantra,
गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण हासी यशोदा तनय प्रसिद्ध श्री वल्लभ जी बड़े इस मंत्र को क्यों
this mantra, why he chanted this
महामंत्र
mantra?
क्यों नहीं जप रहा? हरे कृष्ण 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 इस मंत्र क्यों नहीं जप रहा है? बृहद भागवतम
In Brihad Bhagavatamritam,
श्री कृष्ण गोपाल सनातन गोस्वामी, ये मंत्र
Sanatan
नहीं
Goswami,
हाँ?
he is different युग में, हाँ.
अरे डिफाइन जुगो कहाँ है? ये तो यही तो गोप कुमार की कथा तो
Gop Kumar Hari Katha is telling in this yuga.
अच्छा सुनो
Gop Kumar
है तो हाँ?
Parikshit Maharaj, हाँ.
अरे तो भागवत की साथ वो तो पहले ही बोल दिया था।
He told this Hari Katha
वो तो प्रिपेश
before. That was in the preface.
ये भागवत जो है
In Bhagavad,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी परीक्षित महाराज के सुना है।
Sukdev Goswami he told to Parikshit Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj he told to Uttara.
है? इसके बाद जो है
And afterwards,
जो है
Janmenjay,
जमिनी ऋषि से श्रवण
he listened from Jamini Rishi.
ये चल अभी जो गोप कुमार की कथा जो
Then
हम
Gop
किए थे,
Kumar
तो
Katha,
क्या तो गोप कुमार
Gop Kumar, in this way,
एक गोपाल मंत्र और इसी मंत्र ये जो महामंत्र श्री
in
कृष्ण गोपाल
this Gopal mantra and this mantra,
गोविंद हे नंद सौर कृष्ण हासी जसोदा तनय प्रसिद्ध श्री वल्लभी जी
Vanaradhikesh.
ये तो जप करते हैं।
Every day he was chanting this mantra.
कोई नियम करके नहीं,
No, without any rules.
जैसे हम मंत्र जप करते हैं
Like we are
कितने
chanting
बार
the
जप करते
mantra 3 बार.
हैं? 10 बार मंत्र जप करते हैं।
Oh, अच्छा, 10 बार, 10 times we are chanting the mantra.
सुबह 10 बार,
Morning 10 times, afternoon 10 times, and night, evening time 3 times. But Gop Kumar, he doesn't told me how many times. So
निरंतर से जप करते
I was chanting whole day this mantra.
हैं। तो इसी प्रकार मैं वृंदावन को
So
छोड़ दिया।
I left Vrindavan.
हैं?
Gop Kumar
वृंदावन को
said,
छोड़ दिया।
I left Vrindavan.
क्यों वृंदावन छोड़
Why I
दिया?
left Vrindavan?
क्या बताया? अभी तो बताया।
Because he was feeling separation. Because he was feeling pang of separation from his Gurudev.
विरह उत्पन्न होने लगा। इसलिए मैं वृंदावन के छोड़ करके मैं
That's why I left Vrindavan
आगे चल
and I was moving forward.
चलते चलते
And then
प्रयाग में पहुंचे।
I went to Prayag.
और उस समय माघ समय भी बहुत सुंदर था। माघ
That time
महीने
was
था।
Magh month.
और माघ महीने होने के नाते
And because of Magh month,
वहाँ पर 1 महीने तक लोग मेला आदि लगे हुए थे।
there was fair for 1 month.
और देखा क्या एक
And what I saw,
ब्राह्मण जो है
there was one
अपने
Brahman.
छोटा सालग्राम शिला लेकर के
He was with his small shaligrams, he was serving them.
वो ब्राह्मण
That Brahman,
गंगा जमुना सरस्वती त्रिवेणी में स्नान के उपरांत
he took bath in Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati.
साफ सुधार करके
And he cleaned one place
ठाकुर जी
and he was keeping his Thakurji, Shaligram Shila,
और ठाकुर जी के थोड़ा भोग लगाया
and he offered the prasadam, laddu and something he offered, and then
ठाकुर जी के चारों तरफ
he was doing parikrama, circulating around his Thakurji, and he was doing kirtan, and many people were gathered there.
मैं भी आकृष्ट
I was also attracted towards that person.
के बाद
After some time,
वो ब्राह्मण
that Brahman, what he did,
अपने सालग्राम शिला के जो है
He-
फिर अपने
he put his Shaligram Shila in the box.
जब बंद कर दिया
When
तो ऊपर
he
मैं
kept
रोना शुरू
in the Shaligram Shila in the box, I start crying. I start crying that why you are keeping the Shaligram Shila in the box? How he will eat? How he will breathe?
जग जाएगा
When he will wake up,
पानी कौन पिलाएगा?
who will give him the water?
तो उस समय
At that time, Brahman, he said,
ब्राह्मण सालग्राम शिला का
who was serving the Thakurji, Shaligram Shila, he said,
तुम छोटा बालक हो,
you are a small boy, you don't know
किसी
anything.
की ये सालग्राम शिला नहीं, ये साक्षात
This
भगवान
is Shaligram. This is not Shaligram Shila. This is Lord Himself. That is known as Jagdishwar.
है अनंत गुरु विश्व ब्रह्मांड के नायक
He is the supreme personality of Godhead.
है नारायण शिला
Narayan Shila. This is Lord
नारायण
Himself.
के अर्थ क्या होता है?
Narayan. What does the meaning of Narayan?
इति नारायण समस्त जीव
All the jivas
जिनकी चरण में आश्रय लेते हैं
who take the shelter in the lotus feet of Lord.
आश्रय
Ayan means ashray, taking shelter.
जिस समस्त जीव जिनके
All
चरण
the
में आश्रय लेते हैं,
jivas are
उसी
taking
के
the shelter
कारण
of the Lord. That is known as
ये नारायण
Narayan.
आप देख रहे हैं शालिग्राम शिला
You
वास्तविक
can
स्वयं
see
भगवान
this
ऐसे कहते हैं जगदीश
this Shila is Shaligram Shila is Lord Himself.
इनके ना कोई भूख लगते हैं
They
ना
don't
कोई
feel
प्यास
hunger, they don't feel
ये
thirst.
तो आत्माराम अपना
He is Atmanam
भक्त
Aptakam.
जैसे जिस प्रकार भूख लगाते
How
हैं,
devotees will
भगवान
serve, they accept in the same way. Patram Pushpam Phalam Tvam.
भक्ति के अनुसार भगवान जो
As per the bhakti,
भगवान को दे देते
whatever
हैं,
devotees are offering, Lord accept that.
भगवान कोई भूख प्यास नहीं
Lord
करता।
never feel hunger or thirst. They never feel like this.
वो तो आत्माराम
They are Atmanam. He is Atmanam
जब
Atmaka.
भगवान शब्द प्रयोग करते
When we are using the words Bhagwan, there are two qualities. One is Aptaramata and Aptakamata.
भक्त जैसे भोग लगे
How the devotees will offer, the Lord will accept.
इसलिए ब्राह्मण कहने
So
लगे,
that's why that
देखो,
Brahman said,
हम दरिद्र ब्राह्मण हैं,
I am poor Brahman.
इसलिए मैं इनको यही भोग लगाया।
I just offered to him, my Thakurji, only this. So Brahman, Gop Kumar said that you are Mahabhagyavan.
ठाकुर जी की आपने इतने सुंदर सेवा आदि
You served so nicely, Thakurji, and you sing so nice Kirtan. Thakurji is very pleased with you. At that time,
वो ब्राह्मण कहने
that
लगे,
Brahman said,
ये देखो
see
मैं ठाकुर जी की क्या सेवा करूं?
what I am doing service, what I am servicing. I am just offering only once a day, only one laddu I am offering entire day. Only once a day. I don't have wealth property.
यदि ठाकुर जी की सेवा देखना
If
है,
you want to see the servitual mood, go. You should go to South India, Anant Padmanam.
अनंत पद्मनाभ। वहाँ पर साक्षात जो है
There is
राजा उसके सेवा
one
करते हैं,
king.
राज्य की सेवा
He is serving
है, रॉयल सर्विस।
royal services every day.
हजारों ब्राह्मण एक नहीं,
Thousands of Brahmins, thousands of Brahmins,
अनंत पद्मनाभ को कैसे
Ananta
सेवा
Padmanam. They are how they are servicing.
है। अनंत पद्मनाभ गए,
Padmanam. Have you ever been?
देखने में बहुत
Have you ever been? That is very beautiful place, South India.
जो हमारे इधर जगदीश्वर का मंदिर है यहाँ पे, अब जैसा बोल रहे हो ना ऐसे ही यहाँ पे सिटी में
उसके कॉपी बने हैं, किंतु मूल जो है
The main is originally is in South Indian. There is 3 doors.
दरवाजा से
There are 3 doors. You can see the darshan of Lord.
भगवान ऐसे लेटे
Lord himself, he is sleeping and he is from his navel. Brahma is
ब्रह्मा जी
lotus manifesting and then Brahma ji coming out from that lotus. Lakshmi Devi, she is massaging the lotus feet of Lord Narayan.
एक दरवाजा से
From one door you can take the darshan of, you can get the darshan of Lord's face, and in the second gate you can get the darshan of navel of Thakurji, and then in third gate you will see Lakshmi ji is massaging the lotus feet of Narayan.
वो ब्राह्मण कहने लगे, मैं
So that Brahman said, I am poor Brahman. If you want to see the service, then you have to go to Anant Padmanam. You should go there, and how thousands of Brahmins, how they are serving.
राजा जो है वहीं पर संग देश के
King
राजा,
himself,
संग
the
सारे
king,
धन संपत्ति की जो भगवत सेवा में लगा,
he is using his all wealth and property for the service of the Lord.
बहुत सुंदर कथा।
This is so beautiful katha.
इस कथा को सुन करके माथुर
When Gop Kumar, he got greed to see that. So I want to take the darshan of Anant Padmanam. So he went to South India. He was chanting this mantra. So he reached there very quickly. Anant Padmanam. So he went at that place, Anant Padmanam, and he saw so beautiful face, lotus feet and navel. Brahma ji, how he is manifesting from the navel of the Lord. Then he saw King himself, how he was servicing to the Lord. Every day, after 3 hours, one prahar, this is known as. How many prahars in 24 hours? 8 prahars. 24. 3 hours is equals to 1 prahar. 8 into 3 is 24. And after 3 hours, every 3 hours, they are changing the dress of Thakurji.
और ठाकुर जी के इतने सुंदर राजकीय जो है
and
सेवा आदि की
they are servicing royal services, all the jewelry, dresses. They are changing. Many thousands of Brahmins are there. The South Indian
बहुत
Brahmins,
सदाचारी ब्राह्मण
they are very regulative.
इतने बड़े बड़े जो है चोटी रखते हैं
They are
आधा
keeping
सिर
the
तो
choti. This their half hair
लंबी
is
लंबी तिलक भी ऐसी होता है
and their tilak
सारे
is so
उसके
big.
forehead के मानो
Their forehead they are covered with the tilak.
है और वो ब्राह्मण इतने
And Brahman,
शंख ध्वनि के द्वारा
with their shank sound, they are chanting the Ved mantras,
पुरुषोक्त मंत्र आदि के
the
द्वारा
Purushottam mantra.
ठाकुर जी के लिए सेवा
They are serving the Lord.
है पुरुषोक्त मंत्र समझते
You understand the meaning of Purushottam
द्वारा
mantra?
ही सेवा आदि करते हैं।
They are
स्नान आदि
servicing
से लेकर के
from taking bath to all the services.
देखा है और
Gopakumari
इधर-उधर
saw
कोई भी आते हैं उनके प्रसाद दिया जाता है।
whosoever is coming, they are free of service, free of cost. They are distributing the prasadam to everyone. And in the different places,
सेवा चलते हैं। कहीं पर
many
किसी
different
को है,
services
कहीं
are
पर
going
चल रहे
on.
हैं।
Some there is kirtan, drama.
ठाकुर जी के अनेक लीला
Many pastimes are going on there.
इतने सुंदर दिव्य स्थान
That is very divine place, very beautiful place. If you will go still there, you will see Ananta Padmanabh. So beautiful place.
है। गोप कुमार गए
Gopakumar, he went there. He was so surprised. Very humbly he was staying far.
और मन मन चिंतन
And he was
करने लगे,
thinking,
मैं यदि इस देश के राजा
if I will become the king of this
तो
kingdom,
मैं भी ठाकुर जी के
then I will be also able to do even more. I can do service of the Lord.
मंत्र जप किया ना, मंत्र
Because he was chanting the mantra, so he get the fruits.
गोप कुमार के जीवन
And
में चरित्र यही है।
Gopkumar life
ठाकुर जी के
history,
सेवा बिना और कोई चिंतन नहीं किया
he doesn't think, he think only about the service of the Lord. He never think about the marriage and nothing about material desires. He was only thinking how I can serve more and more nicely Thakurji service. How I can serve more and more Thakurji. So that's why the mantra gave the fruits him quickly. This is very surprising.
क्या बोले संत भगवान अनंत पद्मनाभ
Lord Anant
राजा
Padmanabh,
के निकट सपना दे
he gave the dream to the king. O king,
देखो ये जो बालक छोटा
there is
बालक
one
आपसे
young boy is there.
मेरे जो विग्रह दर्शन
He's taking
करता है,
his my darshan.
तुम्हारी मृत्यु के बाद
After your death,
है, यही जो है
he should be
जिसका राजा
the king of this
सारी
kingdom,
संपत्ति तुम देकर ले जाओ।
and you should give him all the wealth property to this young boy.
इस प्रकार सपना
In
आदेश
this
प्राप्त
way,
करके
he got the dream
संग राजा
instruction.
ने किया कि
The
एक
king, he
पूरी
got the dream instruction, and he make the will.
और गोप कुमार के लिए सारी डीड बना दी।
And there was a deed that after my death,
ये बालक
this young boy, he will be the king and he will get all the wealth and property. Very surprising thing that after few time, the king, he left his body, and Gopkumar, he become the king of that kingdom.
और भी अधिक रूप में जो है
And he was servicing the Lord even more nice than before. So commentators of scriptures, they are saying that Gopkumar's life history is
जहाँ जहाँ पर गोप कुमार गए
wherever Gopkumar went,
उतना ही उत्कर्षता जग
he was having more curiosity.
इच्छा जने
He have so much desire
है ये ठाकुर जी की सेवा
that how I can serve Thakurji more nice.
कोई संसार की वस्तु प्राप्ति
He doesn't have desire for material. He doesn't have material desire. He have only center. He have one pointed towards service of the
और
Lord.
किसी में आसक्ति नहीं।
He doesn't have any attachment towards anything, any material thing.
चलो इसलिए जब वो राजा
So
ने
that's
छोड़
why
दिया,
when the king left his
और
body,
इसके पश्चात
so then
गोपकुमार
Gopkumar,
वही अनंत पद्मनाभ की राजा भी बन गया
he was the king of that kingdom,
और
and,
अधिक रूप में
and
जो है सेवा की परिपाटी
more beautifully way he was serving the Ananta Padmanabh. How he was doing?
गोपकुमार कहने लगे मैं जब
Gopkumar
राजा
said,
बन
when
गया
I
अनंत
become
पद्मनाभ की
king,
सेवा की
I was servicing Anant Padmanabh.
ये नित्य प्रत्यह मैंने
Every
रूल कर
day
दिया
there was one
ये
rule.
सभी को जो है मंगल
Every
आरती
day
मनाना
have to come Mangal Aarti. Everyone have to come Mangal Aarti. Who was not able to come, I've arranged
व्यवस्था कर दी।
done arrangement for everyone, car, horse, whatever they need.
इस प्रकार से कन्वेंस हो
How their conveniences, how they are comfortable. Some people can say, I don't want to listen an excuse that I don't have conveyance nahi hai. I don't transport. We don't have transport, conveyance. So I arrange everything, beautifully arrange everything. No excuse. He arranged everything. So everybody should attend the Mangal Aarti. All the villagers have to come in Mangal Aarti. This is very beautiful. Gurudev used to tell about this Harikatha. Everybody have to attend Mangal Aarti. There is no excuse. Everybody should attend Mangal Aarti.
और समस्त प्रकार के इतने जो है जो पहली जो राजा जो
The kingdom, the king,
10 गुना बढ़ा दिया।
the prasadam he was distributing, it was like more nice in the kingdom of
वेद मंत्र के द्वारा सुप्त मंत्र के द्वारा
with the mantras,
स्नान आदि
pure mantras, they were taking the bath to the Lord.
ठाकुर जी के नई वस्त्र
New ornaments, new clothes for the Thakurji. 8 times a day, Thakurji's clothes were changed. After 3 hours, Thakurji was changing his Thakurji clothes, Thakurji ornaments, food items. Many thousands of Brahmins were indulged in these services. He was very happy. Thousands of people were coming to take the darshan of Thakurji. But Gopkumar saw, one day my heart was, I was upset. I saw the Brahmins, they are Kattarvadi, understand? They were following rules and regulations. Like at 12, you have to close the door of temple. At exact 12, they will close the door. They will, if some person came for the darshan of Thakurji, they will not allow to. After 3 hours, they will open. They will, after 3 hours only, the door will open. Where we are going, Nityanand Prabhu's, they also are like, they are following the rules and regulations. If there is 1 second delay from 11:30 to 12, if you are late by 1 second, then they will open the door of the temple at 4. We are going sometimes. Nityanand Prabhu's place, birthplace, Ekachakra. They are Brahmins, they are Kattarvadi, they are following rules and regulations. They are very pakka. Anything happen, that please give us, let us take darshan. We are coming out from getting down from the car, and they were closing the door of the temple. We were requesting them, please wait. They said no. So from 11:30 till 4:30, they will open you sit. They will not. Once I went there, I took 2 buses there. My bus was there. I saw by my own eyes. They closed the door. I was requesting them, please wait. 2 buses are coming. Please let us take the darshan. But they said no. No excuse. See. 11:30 they will close the doors of the temple. In the same way, Gopkumari said that Brahman, they are very Kattarvadi, like so much pakka in their rules and regulations. Many people are coming from very far. Let them take darshan, but they said no. Gopkumari said, my heart, I was feeling so upset. What the use of the king, because nobody was listening the king. Everybody was listening to there was a rule of Brahmins. And second thing was, Gopkumari saw there was caste system. Brahman in the different queue, Shudra in different queue, Vaishya different queue, and Kshatriya different queue. They cannot take darshan together. Brahmins in this line, This queue is for Shudra Vaishya.
बहुत एक कास्ट सिस्टम है।
There was a caste system.
पद्मनाभ में जाओ,
Anant Padmanabh, if you will go,
पूछेंगे आप ब्राह्मण
they will
हैं?
ask you that you are Brahman or not.
सीढ़ी जाने देंगे
वैष्णव क्या
स्ट्रेट
आप ब्राह्मण बोले भी नहीं होगा।
If
वो
you-
आपको वहाँ पर तो वो है ना, क्या बोले,
They will check.
कपड़ा जो है
They will-
नीचे के वस्त्र पहन पर सकते हो।
You can only wear the
नीचे के
down
वस्त्र पहनते
the
हैं।
down clothes.
देव वस्त्र में जा जाता है। नीचे के जो है कोटिदेश
The
के
lower
वस्त्र रहता
the
है,
lower cloth
और
is
ये
there,
कपड़े जो है
and
सिर
only
पर
the cloth
ऐसे
on the head. It will stay.
वस्त्र
Divastra.
पुरुषों के
Only two
वस्त्र
clothes.
में
Two clothes
स्त्रियों के
for the women, for the for the men,
सिर पर
and for the women,
कपड़ा
the lady should cover the head. No rules for ladies, but they should cover their head.
आज तक भी नहीं।
For men, only two clothes they can wear.
आपके जनेऊ नहीं हो,
If there is no janeu, then they will not allow you. Then you have to stay in Shudra or Vaishya line. They will not allow you to
आपको देखेंगे क्या है?
enter in the Brahman queue. They will say you have janeu.
नहीं हो तो जाने नहीं दे।
If there is no janeu, they will not allow you to enter. Then they will not allow you to enter go in the Brahman line.
तो गोप कुमार ये देखा
So the Gopkumar said there is so much caste
गोप
system.
कुमार इसको देख के उसके
Gopkumar he was so
भगवान
upset.
के दर्शन के लिए
For taking the darshan of the Lord, they have came.
तो उसमें जात पात क्या है, क्या जरूरत?
Why there is so much this caste system?
किंतु ब्राह्मण लोग बहुत कठोर,
But the Brahmins, they were so much pakka in their rules and regulations. Like in Jagannath Puri,
क्या बोलते हैं, नॉन हिंदू
non-Hindu
नॉट अलाउड,
not allowed.
जाने नहीं दे।
Only Hindu people are allowed in Jagannath temple.
तो क्या करेंगे आप लोग?
What we can do?
पहले से ही ऐसा है
ऐसे ही।
This is the rule from
दूसरी
before.
बात छोड़िए, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री जो है
Bharat, India's Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, she was Brahman.
उसकी शादी हुई,
She got married with Firoz Gandhi,
मुसलमान उनको भी
a
जाना।
Muslim. She was not allowed to take the darshan of Jagannath Ji temple. They doesn't allow to take the darshan of Prime Minister even can go. What we will say about others, they don't allow the Prime Minister.
हम जाएंगे,
Indira Gandhi, she said, I will take the darshan. All the Brahmins,
पता है ना, सारे मंदिर की चारों तरफ
they were
लेग
lying down on the entire temple. They doesn't allow Indira Gandhi should to enter the temple.
और थोड़ा जगन्नाथ के लिए भी थोड़ी उल्टी सीधी बोल दिया, फिर उसके भी मार भी दिया जगन्नाथ।
And she was saying something bad about the Jagannath Ji. Jagannath Ji is like, if somebody will say bad about the Jagannath Ji, Jagannath will become upset. He will become angry.
चलो हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं, गोप कुमार
That's
के
why
मुंह
I'm
देख
saying.
करके खराब हो गया।
Gopkumar was feeling very upset.
गोप कुमार के मन में दो कारण हुआ है।
There was
एक
two
है क्या?
reasons. One
ब्राह्मण
is
लोग बहुत कट्टरवादी,
Brahmins, they are very pakka in their rule and regulation.
इतने बुद्धि मार्ग के लोग इतने
They were following Vedimarg. That people are coming from very far, but they doesn't allow people to take darshan. They have so much rules and regulation. They are following strictly this Vedimarg. And second is caste system.
कास्ट सिस्टम
Caste system.
है, इसलिए गोप कुमार के मन बहुत खराब हो गया।
So Gopkumar was feeling very upset.
इसलिए गोप कुमार
Gopkumar,
दुखी होकर बैठे हुए
one day he was very sad, and at that time from Jagannath Puri,
वैष्णव लोग आए।
some devotees were coming,
जगन्नाथ जी की महिमा
and
श्रवण कराए।
he got to know about the glories of Shri Jagannath temple.
है, ब्राह्मण
In Jagannath temple,
सभी जा सकते हैं,
Brahman, Vaishya, Shudra, everybody can go.
है, कास्ट सिस्टम है।
There is no caste system.
हिंदू जो होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल हिंदू होना चाहिए।
क्या जी,
वो चाहते कि आप हिंदू
हिंदू होना चाहिए।
हिंदू
But they should be Hindu.
फॉरेन को नहीं जाना।
Foreigners are not
आपके
allowed.
पुण्यान हो नहीं वो पूछता नहीं।
They will not ask that you are keeping this
बुझते सुधरा ये नहीं।
this janeu.
हाँ? फॉरेन को नहीं, ये फॉरेन को ये लोग किस में आ जाता है,
These foreigners
ब्राह्मण
come.
में नहीं आता है।
They are not under the category of
ये लोग
Brahman.
किस में आता है,
They are coming under the category
किस
of
में आता है, नहीं उसका अंतर्ज कहा जाता
Antaja,
है आउट ऑफ कास्ट
out of caste.
है नो कास्ट इसलिए लोग जाते हैं जन
That's why they are not allowed to enter the temple.
दोष नहीं इसमें लिखा है अंतर्ज कहा जाता है
Antaja.
अंतर्ज कहा जाता है इसलिए जाने नहीं देते है
That's why they are not allowed to enter the
लोग
temple.
गाय नहीं खाते थे
At that time, Hindus were not eating the cow. But now Hindus are also eating the cow. Now they are eating the it is nonsense. But maybe foreigners are not taking the cows. But now Hindus are taking. But they are not allowed to enter the temple.
लोगों की नहीं जाते
Western peoples were not allowed to go because they are not in any caste. So they are known as Antaja. This is the reason.
सृष्टि के प्रारंभ से
And
नियम रखा गया
this is the rule from the starting of this
जगन्नाथ मंदिर
universe.
में प्रवेश करने दो तो सब वो ये कर देंगे ना है
बहिष्कार
है वो क्या बोले
बहिष्कार
नहीं कंटामिनेट कर देंगे ना
बहिष्कार मतलब मना कर दे
नहीं
अशुद्ध
जो 4 वर्ष अंतर्जय के जाने नहीं इसलिए दिए
They are not allowing to Antaja to enter the temple.
इसलिए जाने नहीं दिए।
Otherwise,
तो
the
कुछ होगा
temple will become contaminated. And without the desire of the Lord,
है? यदि भगवान तो सबके हृदय में प्रेरणा देते हैं
Lord is giving inspiration in everyone's
हमारी
heart.
दोस्त थोड़ी है
This is not our fault.
भगवान यदि चाहे तो सबको दे सकते हैं।
If Lord wants, He can do anything.
भगवान की इच्छा नहीं तो आप जबरदस्ती कैसे
If
करोगे?
Lord doesn't have desire, what you can do? Nobody can go forcefully. If you will go forcefully, what you will get?
अरे देखो जो कुछ भी होता है
Whatever
तो
happens.
उसके बाद छोड़िए रामानुचार्य जी की भी
Ramanujacharya,
लक्ष्मण है
Ramanujacharya, he is Lakshman himself.
हाँ समझे रामानुचार्य
Ramanujacharya, who is he? He is Lakshman. He is the incarnation of Lakshman, Baladev Prabhu.
रामानुचार्य जब
When Ramanujacharya,
जब प्रेसिडेंट बने
he became the president of the Jagannath temple.
और रामानुचार्य देखिए
Ramanujacharya say they were eating the betel nut and then serving the Jagannath, and then he said, then he removed the Brahmins
पंचवार
who was taking this, eating this betel nut,
जगन्नाथ जी की निकट सत्यव्रत है
and they were lying down
जगन्नाथ देव क्या की
in the front of Jagannath temple, and Jagannath temple, and Jagannath, what he did, he took the bed of Ramanujacharya and he threw him in the Purvachal sea, and when he wake up, and Krishna and Balaram, Jagannath and Balaram,
रामानुचार्य की खटिया के लेकर के फेंक करके आया
they throw the bed of Ramanujacharya in the sea, and when he wake up and he was sleeping in the Shiv temple, Ramanujacharya,
रामानुचार्य के नियम होता है
there is a rule in Ramanujacharya, they never enter in the temple of demigoddess.
ये लोग कभी
Ramanujacharya, they never will go in the temple of demigods. They will burn into the fire, but they will never enter into the demigod's temple. To understand, in Bhajan Rasa temple, it is mentioned,
ये लोग कट्टर
there is evidence. They are so much pakka in rules and regulation. And when he wake up and he saw, I am in the Shivji temple,
तो जो माताएं जो है उसी मंदिर में पानी चढ़ाने के लिए
and every day the ladies are coming for giving water to Shivji, and Ramanujacharya become upset.
जगन्नाथ
And he said to Jagannath ji that what offense I did.
मंदिर में यार
You send me to demigod temple. You can send me anywhere. Why you send me to demigod temple?
बरम हुतासन आग में जल करके मर जाएंगे
I can burn into the fire, but
देव मंदिर में
they will never enter into the Dev temple.
आज मुझे कहा
You send me to the Dev temple.
जगन्नाथ जी
At that time, Jagannath ji said,
तुम्हारे दो अपराध हो
there are 2 offenses.
मेरे भक्तों के तुमने क्रिटिसाइज किया
You criticize my devotees. That's why I throw you.
जगन्नाथ जी के जो है हमारे सेवक जो है हमारे सेवक
My
जो करते हैं,
devotees, whatever they are
उसके ऊपर
doing,
तुम उंगली उठाने नहीं
you don't point that, put a finger on that.
आज में यदि कभी जगन्नाथपुरी में जाओ,
If you will go to Jagannath Puri,
तो ब्राह्मण के साथ
don't say don't say anything.
तो जो बोल रहे हैं
Don't-
सुन करके चले जाओ बस.
Don't say anything about the Brahmins. Whatever they, you become dumb.
Don't talk. and
Don't talk.
Argument.
Don't talk and don't argument with the
and
Brahmins.
जगन्नाथवासी.
Jagannath Brahmins.
हैं? Deaf.
Deaf and dumb. You should become deaf and dumb.
हैं? कुछ काम की जरूरत नहीं. जगन्नाथ रुष्ट हो.
Otherwise, Jagannath ji will become
फिर ये
angry
बोले,
with you.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो मुझे देव मंदिर में क्यों फेंका?
Why you send me to Dev Mandir, the demigod temple? You can throw me anywhere else. At that time, Jagannath ji said, Ramacharya, please
बाप रे,
listen.
देव मंदिर नहीं.
Actually, this is not Dev
ये
temple.
कुर्माचल है.
This is Gurmachal. This is Kurma. Kurma Vigrah. This is a deity of Kurma. They are thinking this Shivji, and people are worshipping Shivji. So by your help,
कुर्मा देवता.
this is not Shiv temple. This is Kurmachal.
अभी 10:30 हो गया. चलो प्रसाद.
Now it's 10:30. Please take prasadam. 11 we have to leave. Very beautiful.
और परफेक्ट टाइमिंग पे आया प्रसाद. परफेक्ट टाइमिंग पे आ गया.
No, it's not perfect.
तो कुर्मा का आप क्या बोल रहे थे? कुर्मा का
वो बोले जगन्नाथ जी बोले बात-
Jagannath ji said, actually,
ये कुर्मा मंदिर ये
that is not,
शिव मंदिर नहीं है.
this is not Shiv Mandir.
लोग सोचते हैं
People are thinking in parampara, people are thinking that this is Shiv Mandir. This is Shiv Vigrah. This is deity of Shivji. But this is not deity of Shiv.
नारायण सर्व-
Jagadish.
पर तुम्हें इसको प्रतिष्ठा करो.
You have to establish this deity that this is not Shiv temple. This is Kurmadev Bhagavan. He is Narayan.
इस प्रकार जो है बता बोलो वृंदावन
कुछ एक पैकेट ले लेना. कुछ एक पैकेट ले ले.
गुरुदेव वो सनातन गोस्वामी वाला फिर कब बताएंगे? वो मंत्र जो आप बता रहे थे.
कुछ
श्री कृष्ण
एक पैकेट लेता हूँ ना मैं. हाँ लाओ फटाफट लाओ.